Okay, so I'm gonna have a talking argument with a bird that will probably repeat me, and you can say, "Hey, shut up, shut up." Anyways, and now you can honestly say that you can talk to yourself, and you can answer. Shut up, you bird. I'm not a bird. You're a bird. When did I grow feathers and a beak? Since you were born, you dumb bird. I'm a human. What you see what I mean?
I didn't do it that time, bird.
Graham, knock it off. You're an ugly bird. Not me, yourself. Look at the ugly bird on the screen.
Let me get that door shut.
See, he's repeating what I'm telling him. No, you're repeating me. I can't win when I argue with myself. That's it. See you next time.